Today we're going to make a teddy bear headband. And what you'll need is a glue stick, some scissors, and some scotch tape or a stapler if you have one. You'll also need some construction paper or any kind of scrap paper. First step, we are going to cut out some long strips from one of our pieces of paper here. Alright, now to make the ears. A tip, fold the paper in half before cutting out your shape. This way your ears will look the same. You can make any shape you want. Mine are a bit big for bear ears, so let's just say they are bunny ears. Now we will use the same trick to fold our paper in half to make the inside of the ears. You want to make the inside smaller so it will fit in the other pieces we cut. If you are using white paper, feel free to color these any color you want. Now it's time to glue the inside of our ears to the outer pieces of our ears. And then you just stick them on. After that, we need to glue our ears to one piece of our headband. Once you've glued them down, it's time to fasten our headband pieces together. I'm using tape, but again, if you have a stapler, you can use that instead. Now, once you've attached the first piece, you may want to measure the band around your head before taping the other end. This way you can make sure it fits right. I'm just going to measure it here on Mr. Duck. And then I'm just going to snip off the end, just as an adjustment. You may need to add more strips of paper to make your headband bigger. And then I'm just going to tape it in the front and the back. And you're done! There you go!